Somalis here say they're concerned that the whole episode is damaging their reputation and are considering raising funds for a possible ransom for their release. Alice Bandakravi reports.
Gaunt and afraid, these are the most recent photos of Rachel and Paul Chandler, held captive by Somali pirates and being seen by a doctor just a few days ago. The couple from Tunbridge Wells were taken hostage over 3 months ago whilst sailing in the Indian Ocean. Now the Somali community over here wants to help secure their release.
Here as well we introduced the programme and...
These are the Walthamstow studios of a Somali television channel. They say they had an overwhelming response last week to the story of the Chandlers' ongoing kidnap ordeal.
The Somali community in London and in Europe, they want to raise money if the government of Britain is not willing to open a dialogue and a negotiation with the pirates.
Millions of dollars is going to be very difficult to raise. Do you think any fundraising is going to make a difference?
To be honest, it may help. At the end of the day, the message from the pirates is clear. They want to be paid. And as Somalis in Europe, especially in the UK, our main concern is this couple to be released, whatever it costs us.
The Foreign Office says its position is clear. It doesn't pay ransoms and it doesn't condone anyone else doing so. It does admit that there's no law preventing ransom payments and it wouldn't block any private offers of financial help to the Chandlers' family.
But wouldn't giving in to the hostage takers by paying a ransom set a dangerous precedent?
Many groups, including governments, that will always be opposed to the settlement of ransoms. However, since the dawn of time, kidnappings have taken place, and by preventing the settlement of ransoms, this will not deter the kidnappers from operating in the future.
And it's not just the safety of the Chandlers that's at stake. Somalis living here are feeling the consequences too.
There is a lot of suspicion about the community, unnecessary suspicion in that sense, because the majority of Somalis here in the UK are law-abiding and they just want to get on with their lives.
Many are hoping the Chandlers will soon be home to do the same. Alice Bandakravi, BBC London News.